Attending a Christmas concert.
This place is breathtaking. I feel like we've stepped into a Christmas movie.
Totally. The decorations are on another level. Look at those wreaths. And the candles, they make everything so cozy.
Oh, the program is starting. Let's find our seats. I can't wait for this.
Me neither. I've been looking forward to this all month. Let's see. Row 5, right?
Yep, here we are. These seats are perfect, right in the middle.
Okay, the first song is "Oh Holy Night." That's going to give me chills.
Same. This choir is supposed to be amazing. I read that they've been performing for over 20 years.
No wonder the tickets sold out so fast. Oh, look, the conductor is coming out.
Here we go. The lights are dimming, so dramatic.
Wow, her voice. It's like velvet.
It's stunning. I have goosebumps. And the organ in the background, so powerful.
I love how the music fills the entire space. It's like the walls are alive with sound.
Did you see the soloist's dress? It's so elegant. She looks like a Christmas angel.
Totally. Oh, here comes the high note. Listen.
She nailed it. That was incredible.
What a way to start the concert. I'm already blown away.
Me too. What's next?
On. The Herald Angels Sing. This one's a classic. It always gets everyone clapping.
I love how festive it is. Oh, and look. The children's choir is joining in for this one.
They're so cute in their little red and green outfits. It adds such a joyful vibe.
And their voices are so pure. It's like they bring an extra sparkle in the song. I can't help but smile. It's impossible to be in a bad mood with music like this.
Exactly. This is what Christmas is all about, bringing people together.
Speaking of togetherness, we should do this every year. Make it a tradition.
Agreed. It's the perfect way to get into the holiday spirit.
Oh, this is my favorite part. The candlelight makes everything feel so peaceful.
And the song itself is so calming. It's like time slows down for a moment.
Here, let me light yours.
Thanks. Look at the glow, so beautiful. It's like the whole room is flickering with warmth.
This moment always gets me. It's like the true meaning of Christmas is right here in this song.
I feel the same way. It's such a simple yet powerful tradition.
That was magical. I don't want it to end.
Same. But there's still one more song, the big finale.
Let me guess. Joy to the world?
You got it. And they're bringing in the full orchestra for this one.
Wow, this is epic. The energy is off the charts.
I love how everyone is standing and singing along. It's like a celebration in every note.
This is the perfect ending. I feel like I'm ready to take on the holidays now.
Me too. Let's grab some hot cocoa from that stand outside and talk about our favorite parts.
Yes, and maybe snap a picture by the tree. This night is one for the memories.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.